Guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I am going to be trying out 7 of the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte Liquid Lipsticks. You guys, I'm sure you guys know by now that National Lipstick Day has surpassed, and I wrapped up on literally so many of my favorite brands. So I'm probably going to have a few lipstick try on lipstick videos coming up because I'm just happy because I got all of my favorites on sale. So I thought I'd share them with you guys today. But actually, this is a liquid lipstick that I haven't tried yet. I also took the opportunity to buy some new things. So I'm really excited to try these liquid lipsticks by L'Oreal. And before continuing with my video today, if you're new to my channel, make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button and let's get right into the video. Okay guys, so like I said, I only purchased 7. I think there are way more shades than that. Let me see if I can pull that up on Ulta. Okay, so on the Ulta app, they're showing 12 available options. So 7 out of 12 ain't too bad. So hopefully I picked up a couple shades that you would like to try as well. So right off the bat, I just want to show you guys the tube. It's literally like it goes in, it's kind of sleek. So here's one of the shades that I have. This is one of the first shades that I'm actually going to try. And here's a close-up. So yeah, that's what it looks like. Now I'm just going to open my first tube. So here's a quick close-up of the wand, and I think that I really like that it's pointed because you can really get into the corners of your lips. But yeah, I don't want to prolong the trying on, so I'm going to just go ahead and start. And again, we're going to be trying to go from lightest to darkest. Okay, y'all, I'm gonna try to hold all of my thoughts to the end of the video, but so far, I'm a little bit shook just because, let me find the prices of these for you guys. So these are $10.99, right? I got them for buy one, get one 50% off, and already, I'm just gonna say, I feel like I got a steal, okay? But yeah, this is the first shade, and I don't know if I said this already, but the name of this one is called Nudist, and I'm usually not a fan of nudes like that because it has like a little bit of a pink undertone, just a smidget. But this one is fire, you guys, okay? So now for the hard part, I'm just taking off the liquid lipstick. And that actually came off really easily. I'm surprised. Pleasantly surprised. Moving on into my next shade. This one is called Cowboy. Guys, this is my perfect nude shade. I'm just going to sit this one over to the side because I already know that it's my favorite. This is what I mean when I say I want a nude with like some brown undertones. This one's absolutely perfect for my skin tone. If you use my skin as a shade reference, absolutely purchase the shade Cowboy. I hate the name. Absolutely hate the name. Yeah, I don't like that. But the shade is beautiful. Okay, now we're moving into shade number 3. This is called Barely Sunset. I can't believe that I love a light pink shade. This is kind of ridiculous at this point. Like every shade that I've tried on, even though it's only number 3, I liked all of them. Granted, I want to let you guys know I bought the shades that I thought would like look good on me. Sometimes when I'm doing these lipstick videos, I will just buy all the shades or buy a bunch of shades and just try them all on. But I did kind of like pick and choose because I'm like, I want shades that I think are gonna look good on me. So yeah, but this pink is beautiful. And I just want to say, based off this bottle, I would not, absolutely, I would not purchase this in the store. The bottle makes it look like the shade is going to be like an unbearable salmon color that I probably wouldn't like. But to me, this color looks nothing like what would come out of the bottle. And I feel like on camera, it kind of is giving bottle, but off camera, it doesn't look like that. Okay, you guys, let's go into our fourth color today. This is called Petal Potion. Okay, so clearly we're getting into like our berryish shades. This is a really, really cute pink as well. This one is more mauve than the last one, in my opinion. That's just in my opinion. It's still really cute, and I just can't believe that I actually am liking pink colors on my lips. Granted, like I said, I picked out colors that I thought would look good on me, but sometimes you can think that something looks is going to look really good on you and it looks like crap. So I think I did really good so far. So for our next color, we're going to be going in the shade called Matador. I think that's how you pronounce it. I don't know. But yeah, I'm going to go with Matador. This red is doing a lot for me. Like, it is so, so pretty. Yeah, when I said doing a lot, I meant doing a lot in a good way. I think that this is really pretty. One thing I will say is that I believe that I personally need a lip liner with this red. And if you've been on my channel before, you know we don't do lip liners when we're trying on our lipsticks because I want you guys to see the real color. I feel like with the lip liners, you start fading the liner into the color and it can completely change the look of the lipstick, lip gloss, etc., whatever we're trying on. So yeah, I think that I need a lip liner with this, but I would still rock it. I will rock it without the liner, but just for personal preferences, I would do a liner with this one. This is about to be really scary because I don't know if this one's going to stain my lips or not. So our lips are just a little bit stained today so far, but luckily for you guys, I only have 2 shades left, so hopefully it doesn't distract you for too long. And so for our second to last shade today, we have Midnight Mauve. Okay, guys, for this shade, it's definitely giving like fuchsia pink. I know it says mauve, but to me, this really doesn't remind me of a mauve. Granted, it does say midnight mauve, and maybe that's what they mean. Like, it's a different type of mauve, I guess. But this is definitely like a fuchsia pink. And personally, it gives that on the bottle. So I'm definitely not disappointed. I think you always need like a hot pinkish kind of color in your collection just to like, I don't know, be different one day. Every once in a while you want to give like a pop of color. I think that's okay. And so yeah, this shade definitely does it for me. All right, we have one more shade left and it's called Stirred. Guys, I love Bambi Reds, and that's exactly what this gives me, which I could kind of tell from the Ulta app that I was gonna love this one, okay? I feel like I did an eye look that was transitioning from summer to fall. I can't wait. I know it's only like, by the time I post this video, it'll probably be August 1st, maybe, something like that. I know it's only August, but I just can't wait. So I'm going to wipe off this last color. I'm going to find a combination with one of the shades that I really like and actually use a lip pencil, and I'll be right back to share my final thoughts. Okay, guys, so I'm back with my final look, and as you guys could probably guess, the lip liner that I went in with is Chestnut by MAC, and then I ended up taking Cowboy and kind of like blending them all together. Okay, so where do we start? First of all, the product overall is a 10 out of 10, and I feel like I never say like, okay, I'll give this product a 10 out of 10. Usually it's like, oh, 8, 7, 6, something like that. Like, and I try not to really hate products, but sometimes they can get a little bit lower on the scale. But these products, the formula, 10 out of 10. And let's talk about the formula, because even though they stain my lips, that's kind of expected for me, especially when you're dealing with darker colors. You're gonna expect some lip stainage, but the softness, the softness, like my lips still feel soft underneath. Like, why do my lips feel like velvet? It doesn't say velvet anywhere on the bottle. It says Infallible Pro Matte Liquid Lipstick. And it's definitely giving matte, like, look mattified, and I love that. So yeah, the formula, I just feel like, I don't know what they did, but if everybody copied this formula, my lips would love it. So I love the formula. The shade range is dope. Like, just from this video alone, it makes me want to go purchase the other shades that I decided not to purchase. And like I said, I tried on 7, and so I mean, there's only a few more left. Should I just get them? No, but for real, you guys, I absolutely love, I can't believe, like, I've been asleep. Like, how long have these even been out? I'm pretty sure these have been out for years. I mean, I'm sure I don't know, I must have been under a rock or something. But that's enough of my rambling for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like this video, make sure you give it a huge thumbs up. And for those of you that are new, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, you guys.